cold world. Yeah. Let me take y'all back, man.
Hey y'all. So, Dominique here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see on my face, I got a little bit of color correcting going on. And I'm about to put some Pro Phase High Definition Matte Press Powder from LA Girl, can't talk today, on my face. Just to start off my base for foundation. It's something that I've been doing and it's being a little different, so I just start off with a primed and powdered face. Looking crazy, so disregard. But yeah. So while I'm doing this, today's look will be coming from the brand new Boss Mood 35M Morphe palette. Super exciting. It was a gift for my best friend for our little Friendsgiving, and like she loves me. Like Jesus. Let us pray. Amen. But anyways, you guys, I'm feeling a bit green, so let's today would be a little glam green look, and just continue watching if you're ready to see what's in store. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy concealer and clean them up a little bit, make them nice and sharp. Of course, I use Toffee. I don't use anything that's too light for me on my skin because I don't want to look like a ghost. I don't want to look crazy. I don't want that really, really high beam of a highlight. So I use Toffee. Ooh. I use it for the bottom. And sometimes I feel like I want to clean up and make it more sharp thin on the top. I use Beautiful Bronze, the darker one. That I'll be using from this marvelous palette. I'm gravitating to the green pattern, all those. So just to tell y'all, I'm going to be using the green Struck Up Light, Express Yourself, and Bold Moves. So those are the three colors I'll be using. Let's get into it. So I have my transition going on right now, excuse me, and now I'm going to cut the crease, and of course on top of that crease, like I said earlier, I'm going to be using this very pretty green glitter shade, and it's called, what's what it's called? It's called Bold Moves. I'm going to cut my crease with this, of course, and using a small detailed brush, my concealer brush, and I'll tie it on top. Now, I don't bring my creases up high due to the simple fact the size of my lid, and I had to learn that throughout time. That's why I had to, fill it out. Like, is it my lid got enough space, got a little bit of space, will it look crazy, is it way, way high, or too small? And I, finally found the size that's, compatible for me. So, I'm just tracing it. Do you hear this? I drug it all the way to the end. Normally I do a half, but I did a whole. Sometimes it's very difficult for me to achieve a identical cut crease, but hey, like your eyebrows, they're cousins. They're not sisters. They're half blood. They're, I don't know, but they're not going to be twins. So let me do the other one. I'll be right back. Alrighty, that's semi-achieved. Now I'm going to apply that all smooth on top. I'm going to just find my flat brush. Voila. Hopefully that's dry enough. I'm going to apply it right on. Oh no. Oh, Jesus. Got green on the white. But right on top. And as far as from now, after that, I'm just going to do the regular foundation routine with no talking. Just go right through. And I will see you all at the end of the video. My face is done. I have some setting powder on there right now. It will brush off. Don't judge me. I might look crazy. Then I'm going to use TOFFEE from the Composition Notebook by the crayon. Oh my God, I got everything on my by the crayon case. My very handy dandy fluffy sand brush by Sharpness Shade. It was $1 and it's nice and full and thick. Subtle. Maybe I ain't been on subtle, but ooh, child, ooh, God, don't worry. I will fix it. I'm just going ham with the hold on. So I fixed that that was pretty wild how much it was. But I'm gonna use a lip liner today. I'm gonna use Coffee by the crayon case. Hopefully it's sharpened, and it's barely sharpened, but hey, we're gonna use it, and you all are gonna like it. I really like these color pencils though. They're really pigmented, and she did bomb. How smooth it go on. See, I be gliding not on the lip, but yeah, I'm doing like a clear gloss or some type of light pink undertone or something like that. I just do some liner, dark liner, have it pop. But today I think I'm not going to do this type of pink. I'm just going to do a clear gloss. Y'all, why didn't y'all tell me I didn't put no lashes on it? Oh my God. Hold on. But the gloss I'm using is by NYX. It's their Pump It Up Lip Plumper. I mean, not that my lips need to be plumped, but it feels good on the lips. You know what? I don't like that. So I'm going to use some pink. And I'm going to use Private Party by the crayon case. Yeah. But about my lashes though. Let me go apply some. I have no excuse me, lashes on. Look at that. Look at the difference. And this lip is shit hopping. On my face, unscented. Everything is just, I feel like I need to put more highlight on my nose. And I love highlight on my Cupid's bow, but hey, a little bit. It's a glow on the bridge. And then pat it out. Everything is just like, okay. course I can't finish this look yet because I'm not done. So we're going to take that stroke of luck, get up a polish, you know, and put that on our bottom lash line. Find my little compact mirror. Just smooth that out on the bottom lash line. The green is really pretty. And while we're closing out this marvelous video, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Domo, backwards with 2 O's. That's OOMOD, because I do a series of looks and mini IG tutorials that are not uploaded on here. So some looks that you have not seen, they're on my Instagram page. So don't forget to follow that. And yeah, how are we feeling the green grinchy eye? I'm gonna take some of that little green that I had and put it on it, in the corner, and I can clean it up with a brush. So much fun either way, but yep. I'm feeling grinchy, and I'm feeling the green. So, and these newly brows. I finally got my eyebrows waxed. I was growing them out for a while, but now I am super excited that I did. These are my brows. Just a little bit sharpened. These are the brows. Like, huh. Anyways, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you all enjoyed this look. And I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to follow all social medias, and everything will be detailed below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching.